We're here at the start of the trail on the main road by the path that leads to the river into San Juan del Sur. It's about 20 minutes to the top or 45 minutes to an hour round trip, depending on how long you plan on sightseeing. Join us as we take a steep inclined walk to get to the Jesus statue.
If you're in town, it's about a 15-minute walk to get to the start of the trail if you walk along the beach and cross the river. If you're not sure how to take the shortcut river crossing, check out the video link in the description below.
The hike to the top is very steep. Be sure to wear good shoes and skip on the flip-flops. You may want to bring a water bottle and be in decent physical shape to embark on this adventure. This is a very affordable, budget-friendly activity. Just $2 for tourists and $1 for Nicaraguans. Bring cash, as you will need to pay an attendant at the top of the stairs that lead to the statue.
Once you arrive at the top, you'll be glad that you made the trek. The views are truly amazing. The Christ of Mercy, or Jesus de la Misericordia statue, is located high in the hills overlooking San Juan del Sur Bay. It's 24 meters high, nearly 80 feet, and stretches to a whopping 134 meters above sea level. It took 2 years to build the statue and 6 months to assemble it on location. At the base of the statue, there's a small chapel, and it contains several artifacts that explain the history of the statue. You can also climb a few more steps up the statue itself to get an even better bird's eye view of the bay and surrounding hillsides.
Nicaragua is well known for having amazing sunsets. Seeing the sunset from the statue is spectacular. Just remember, if you're staying past sunset, bring a flashlight for the hike home.
This is a nice hike and great exercise. If you've already seen the views, this is a great walk to add to your weekly fitness routine. You only pay to enter at the very top, so really the hike is free. But if you do want the best views in town, you'll have to pay for it.
If you don't want to walk to the top, you can take a taxi. It's about $15 from downtown, which includes them waiting for you at the top to drive you back down. The taxi will take you almost to the very top, but you will have to walk the last little bit, about 50 stairs.
If you liked today's video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're new to our channel, and stop by next week for another amazing